Hello, garden lover. Is your garden soil dead, compacted, or just refusing to grow healthy plants? Don't worry, you don't need expensive fertilizers. Today, I'll show you the best plant mixes that can naturally heal clay, sandy, and dead soils, so you can bring your garden back to life. Clay soil is heavy, sticky, and terrible for drainage. The solution? Deep-rooted plants that punch through clay and add organic matter. Best mix: daikon radish plus mustard plus clover. Daikon acts like a natural drill, breaking compaction. Mustard greens improve soil structure and repel pests. Clover fixes nitrogen while protecting the surface. Together, they turn sticky clay into living, breathable soil. Sandy soil drains too fast and loses nutrients quickly. Here we need plants that hold moisture and add fertility. Best mix: lupine plus vetch plus sunflowers. Lupine fixes nitrogen and sends roots deep for stability. Vetch spreads like a blanket, covering and enriching the soil. Sunflowers drill deep channels and attract pollinators. This mix builds organic matter and helps sandy soil store nutrients instead of losing them. When soil looks lifeless, no worms, no fertility, you need a full reset. That's where nutrient accumulators and quick cover crops come in. Best mix: buckwheat plus alfalfa plus comfrey. Buckwheat grows fast, shades out weeds, and enriches in just 30 days. Alfalfa has roots that can stretch 10+ feet, building deep soil channels. Comfrey pulls up minerals and turns into powerful green compost. This combo jumpstarts life in soil that feels completely dead. For the best results, rotate or layer your mixes by season. For example, spring: buckwheat plus clover. Summer: sunflowers plus vetch. Fall, winter: daikon radish plus mustard. This way, your soil is always improving, no matter the season. So whether your soil is clay, sandy, or just plain dead, these plant mixes will restore it naturally. Let the plants do the hard work for you, and you'll see your garden transform within 1 or 2 seasons. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more soil health and home gardening tips.